Porphyrin by Nico.
And Michael.
The structure is very important to porphyrin's functionality, and it is a microcyclic molecule, which means that it has a ring-shaped geometry. It is also a planar molecule, and it has a conjugated system, which means it has delocalized pi bonds. Porphyrin is a ligand, and it uses nitrogens to form coordinate covalent bonds with a metal ion. And porphyrin complex forms square planar geometry with the central ion. Because porphyrin loses 2 protons, it forms chelates of neutral charge with 2+ metal ions. In the biosynthesis of porphyrin, it requires glycine and succinyl-CoA. Because succinyl-CoA is formed in the mitochondria, as it is an important part of the citric acid cycle, the first step occurs in the mitochondria.
There are many examples of porphyrin rings in the environment. Those examples are called porphyrin compounds. All porphyrins are chelates, and the metal ion can vary, but the chelate agent will always be the porphyrin ring. One very important example of porphyrin is chlorophyll. It is very important in plants because it participates in photosynthesis. In chlorophyll, the central metal ion is the Mg2+ ion. It forms coordinate covalent bonds with the nitrogens. The structure of the Mg2+ inside the porphyrin ring is what allows chlorophyll to absorb light. The structure has a lot of resonance over the yellow bonds here, and the delocalized electrons in the resonating bonds are very easily excited, and so when they are hit with photons of light, they excite, and the plant cells can use the excited electrons as energy in photosynthesis. There are also 2 different types of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A, where right here it'll have a methyl group, and then chlorophyll B, where it'll have an aldehyde group there. Another very important example of porphyrin compounds is hemoglobin, myoglobin, and cytochromes. Hemoglobin and myoglobin hold oxygen, are proteins that hold oxygen in your body, and cytochromes transport electrons in important metabolic pathways in your cell. The heme group is a prosthetic group of hemoglobin, myoglobin, and cytochromes, and it is a porphyrin ring with the Fe2+ ion in the middle. Like chlorophyll, it forms coordinate covalent bonds with the nitrogens, but unique to the heme group is the ability to form 2 additional coordinate covalent bonds with a protein residue and oxygen. That is seen here, where iron has a coordinate covalent bond right here with oxygen and a protein. This is very important for hemoglobin and myoglobin, and your own body, which uses hemoglobin and myoglobin to collect oxygen. Right here is a picture of hemoglobin and its quaternary structure with 4 heme groups all around. Here's our bibliography, and then that's the end.